Hi there, I'm Dr. Nandini Gante, an agricultural scientist and a plant nutritionist. I'm very passionate of farming, growing crop, looking after the plants for at their each and every step of their growth and thereby opting for better yields. Are you? Are you getting better output? Is it going to be too hard? Well, it doesn't have to be when Coco Earth Organics is at your service. For every grower or and farmer investing their time into their gardening or farming or simply growing crop nowadays sometimes seem to be a science project. Well, however, our team at Coco Earth Organics present to guide you at each and every step of farming, taking you through the journey of growing crops, thereby giving you an experience which is going to be a worthwhile. We all know and very much aware of what's happening in the world. That's the global warming. And further, this global warming day by day is deteriorating the conditions of our environment, which is caused solely due to the increased carbon footprint, which one has to be very much aware of. However, our farmers or the growers still hold the responsibility of growing crops, feeding the ever increasing population of the respective countries. To manage this situation, however, the best approach and an alternative approach would be growing the crop in soilless. That means to say, without using the soil, cultivation of crops is possible as on today. Coco Earth's matured coco coir, that is called Kalpa Gold, has proved to be an effective tool which is going to be much better than the normal soil. Gold is meticulously designed, manufactured and catered for growers by Coco Earth Organics, which is one of the largest farming community owned enterprise and has a legacy of more than 35 years to their experience. Our coco coir has supported the growth of the plant very well and an excellent alternative for the peat moss, which is not normally nowadays the suggested one as a growing medium. According to the ancient Vedic literature, during the great churning of the ocean, which is called as Samudra Manthan, by the gods, normally we call as Devas, and the demons, that's the Asuras, this to obtain the portion of immortality, that is called as Amrit. During the process, many byproducts came into as a byproduct which was collected. The number one which came out is the very poisonous portion which is called as Halahal, which was consumed by Lord Shiva, thereby saving these Devas and the Asuras, the gods and the demons. This was followed by the portion of immortality which is called as Amrit, and then came the holy divine cow which is called as Kamadhenu. And then followed by a perennial tree, which in the Vedic literature is termed as Kalparuksha. The moment we name is Kalparuksha, Kalpa is the desire or the one which one can wish for, and Ruksha is a perennial tree. Thereby, Kalparuksha means the one which each and every part of the tree is used for the human kind. Thereby, going to the ancient, our Vedic literature, our coco coir has been coined the name Kalpa, that's Kalpa Gold, which is one of the best coco coir media out there. This is basically a matured or the naturally degraded or disintegrated coco coir. It has got a very best texture with a very small fibers which adds for the best water holding capacity and also adds upon for the best drainage. It has got the best C-N ratio. It has got the best CAC, that is a cation exchange capacity, and also the USP or the best part of this Kalpa Gold coir is that it is organically buffered for the pH range of the required range between 5.5 to 6.2 and a very low EC, and this is completely done through organic process. The USP of Kalpa Gold is that it can be used as a standalone media. Also, it has the flexibility of getting mixed into as a pot mix or finds its place into hydroponics or it can go as a soil amendments and so on. It is quite eco-friendly, doesn't have any chemical residues, and it is, the best part of it is like it gives the better benefits as an output. If one is opting this Kalpa Gold as an media for their growing crops, they have an opportunity to help revive our environment from the carbon footprint chaos that's happening all over. We at Coco Earth Organics strive to make the best products offering for you, and it comes when the question of the quality comes into picture, the ultimate care is taken for the consistency, the quality and the regular supplies, and thereby the different aspects for the better future of the growers and the farmers is taken care for generations to come. We always believe, and then we want you to believe in our slogan, which is our motto, is from the nature to the nature.